My mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way we look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something